Hi, I'm Jacob. I am a rising sophomore at Trevor Day School, and for my third milestone, I got the rest of the circuit assembled. So, to do this, I had to add another piece, and that was this LED matrix. Luckily, there was a website that helped me make bitmaps, which are basically binary blocks of code to help the LED matrix decide what kind of pattern to make. But with this website, it really wasn't that difficult to make the little matrix here display patterns. The hard part of this milestone was fully integrating this matrix with everything else that I had built. So I had this problem last milestone, integrating the servos and the wave shield, and I had it again, but this time it was a lot more complicated. All three libraries to operate the servos, wave shield, and bitmap, LED matrix, all of them used libraries that called on the same commands, and these libraries were all written in sometimes other coding languages like C++. So really, the only solution we ended up being able to come up with was using a second Arduino, which I have here. So to do that, have it all run off of one Arduino, even though we were using two, we had both Arduinos interface with each other. So in this Arduino's programming, it sends a signal through pins that go through the wire to the second Arduino. The second Arduino is programmed to receive signals from the first and only operate the LED matrix when signals are received. So I'm going to demonstrate it now. I've been leaning back this whole time because I don't want to trigger the ultrasonic sensor, but when I do, the servos move around a little bit as if it were a head, and then it exterminates. As you can see here, we have the LED matrix, which is displaying several patterns, including a target, a clock, and an eyeball. Here's the clock, and the eyeball will be on in a few seconds. So, here's the eyeball. Some challenges I faced. As I mentioned earlier, I had a lot of trouble getting all four components, I guess, working together. I look forward to completing milestone 4, which is going to be fabricating this lovely robot I have here. Thank you, and see you then.